Hello everybody and everyone. Today it brings me my utmost greatest pleasure to do a huel review. Now, if you know anything about me, if you know anything about me at all, you know I'm a huel drinkist. You know I'm someone who drinks the nutrient goop of huel. But previously, my huel consumption has been limited to that of the ones that taste, the ones that have sweetener, sucralose, and I've got. They make a variant. They make an option. They make a possibility that's unswatened and unfleevered, and that's what I have here today. I'm here to do an unboxing and review of Huel unswetened and unflavored bag edition. First try. As you see, I haven't even cracked the bag yet. So I'll crack the bag yet. The thing about Huel is, for the uninitiated and the unfamiliar, it's got every nutrient you could ever want or need in a powder. And you put it... Oh, he gets it open. Okay, so it's got every nutrient you could want or need in a powder. So you can drink it and gulp it in huel form, human fuel. So I'm going to be trying this unsweetened, unflavored live on the air today. Take your shaker cup. Fill it up with 2 scoops of powder, which is what I will do. And I'm doing it right now. 1 scoop of powder. 2 scoops of powder. Now that it's powderized, you reseal up the bag, which I don't have arms for now. I don't have the... Or I guess I do. I guess I've got arms for it now. Take your water. That's as simple as all it easy is powder and water. And you pour it to the amount of being able to drink it, which is what I did. And then you take the plastic grate shaker helper, and you jug it. Plastic it, shake it. Screw the lid on tight so you don't get spill off runoff, and then you do a vigorous shake. Now it's shaken, and I'll try Huel, unsweetened, unfleavored. For me, no sucralose, no problems with sucralose. I don't have to tell you the dangers of sucralose, and this doesn't have it. And it's good.